these are the 3 things you have to never do in your 20s. So in this video, I'm going to list all are the mistakes and these the things you have to do in your 20s, and this might be change your life. So what are the 3 things? The first thing you should do what you love. So after watching this video, you will realize that what am I doing in my 90s? Okay, are you going to skip this video? Then you will going to skip your great things of your life. So just give me 5 minutes. No one will tell you these things. 3 things. What are the 3 things? So the first one is do what you love. Behind these lines, there have lot of things included in it, but I will tell you also 3 important things in this line. So what are the 3 things again? So the first one is do experiments. So you are thinking that what are the experiments I can do in my 90s? I'm not talking about the science experiments, the social experience. I'm talking about that you have to do experiments just with yourself, because you are the only controller of your life. What are the experiments you can do? Experiments on your work, on your skill. But these things should be depend on your interest. But one thing you know, interest will not come by own way. You have to search about your interest. To searching the interest, you have to do experiments like you want to singing, dancing, drawing, working on social media, making DIY, or it may be a social service. So if you don't know what should you do, you have to experiment all things. After that, you will found that your interest on where. Without experiment, you will not found your own version of skill. So in this line, I have told about the 2 things already. So the 2 experiments and the another is work on your skills. And the last 3 point is do mistakes. Lots of mistakes you can do in this age. So do mistakes. 90% of people learn from their mistakes. So why are you being the 10% people? All the things I didn't do on my early 20s, and I just did what other people was doing. So that was my mistakes, that I followed other people. So you don't have to follow others, and you just have to search your own version skill by doing experiments, lots of experiments. So secondly, I'm going to tell about the number 2 things that you don't have to do. That is, don't waste your time, never ever. Especially in this topic, I'm going to tell about the things that you don't have to focus on your love life. Yes, you don't have to give full focus on your love life in your early 20s or your 90s. So this is the biggest mistakes of my life. So why? I will tell you in my next video. But so another things is what? Another things will going to be happen after ending the video. That is scrolling reels. Even in the Instagram, even in the Facebook, YouTube, all these things. Can I tell you the truth? The creators, Facebook creators, Instagram creators, and also YouTube creators are making you the customer. You are the customer of their marketing field. Okay, so after realizing this, I stopped to scroll reels. Can you notice that after scrolling one by one reels, you cannot stop? So this is the biggest trap of social media. Then after know this, why are you being a member of this trap? The last point in this topic is don't showing off. You have what you don't have. Don't showing to others that may about your expensive clothes, expensive shoes, anything, but just for showing off, don't buy this. So in this video, the last line is work on your health. So all you know that the line that is health is wealth. Obviously health is wealth, and all these things I have already told you that don't waste your time, work on your skill, do experiments. So for all these things, you need a good health, otherwise you can't do all these things. In your teenagers, you need more nutrition, high rich protein foods. Something you know, once your height is going to be stopped to increase, in your adult you can do everything. You can earn money, you can do what you love, but you cannot increase your height. You should not ignore your growth supplement. It can be natural or artificial. Artificial supplements should be advised by physicians. So the last things I'm going to tell about that you. So are you getting boring? Don't have to ignore your mental health, because great future will come by great mindset, and your mindset depends on your surroundings, what kind of mindset people are living. So your surrounding environment also impact on your growth. So choose a wise environment. When you are not taking alcohol, drugs, smoking, etc., but you are taking always toxins in your body in the form of junk food. However, you know that junk foods are slow poisons, but in all the people's favorite list, these poisons are in the top number. Even after knowing this, these all are the poisons. Why?